Alright, thank you guys for clicking on today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to screen for stocks. So the stocks I'm going to be looking for are stocks that I typically either like to swing trade or to buy and hold. So first you want to go to market and ideas. This is on E-Trade. Go to stocks, go to stock screener. Once you're there, you'll be prompted with this page, and this is how you narrow down your stocks. So first things first, I like mid-cap stocks. They still have room for growth, but they're not so extremely volatile that you can lose all your investment in one go. I don't really care if they're in any of this. Usually they won't be if they're a mid-cap stock anyways. Sector depends on what I'm looking for. If I'm in a time of like a booming economy, I'm going to go look for utilities and financials and basic materials. But for any other certain cases, if I'm looking for riskier stocks, I'll go to healthcare or technology. As of right now, I'm not really looking for anything in particular. Share price, I always want it to at least be greater than $10 a share. At least. And then less than 2,000. Price change, I'm going to want it to at least be, actually that doesn't really matter too much. Thomas Reuters, I love them, so I always want them to have a positive outlook on them. And then I want it to be a bullish sector for sure. PE ratio doesn't matter too much. A lot of people swear and live by the PE ratio. This number can vary, but you don't want too high of a PE ratio. I don't really want it to be like in this range or even really this range. This range is fine though. And I do want it to be growing. So I do want it to be within its 52-week high. So I'll usually put about around 25% of its 52-week high. I don't really want it close to its 52-week low. So I have 209 results. And I'll go and I'll check out every single stock. Generally, I want to see every year that they're growing. So if a stock is in the red, I'm not going to want to trade those stocks. But if it's in the green, I want to take a look at it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content.